Hey, what's up? Jenny Jones Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, people have been on me. Hey, show your face, Jenny. I said, man, I am busy. I am in a cave here creating content because content is king, but good content is queen, right? It can take you anywhere you want to go if you have good content. So that's what I'm working on. This is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always putting different things together and sharing different information with different tools and different processes and ways to help you grow your bottom line. Now, what I want to do is I kind of want to take you on this journey of kind of how I got started. And I started writing and doing different things and blogs. And what I realized was this is a grind, right? You got to put a lot of content out there. You got to have a strategy. And so what I wanted to do with share with you today is one of the strategies I use to get me out there and allowed me to get some speaking opportunities and allowed me to showcase to when I go to my next opportunity, I'm able to have some pieces to show them, hey, I wrote in this magazine, I wrote in this article, I wrote in this newspaper. So every time I went to the next level, and how I ended up on TV was I just started writing, and then I added more stuff and I showed them different links and so on and so forth. And that's how you grow. But what I want to do today is I want to show you a quick secret a lot of people don't know about, but this is a good way if you want to get started, you don't know where to get started, or if you just want to just kind of get your feet wet. Let's go over to the computer. Let me show you what I got for you. Okay, now that we're over at my desktop, one of the things I wanted to show you was there's this resource I used to use all the time. I no longer use it. Here's the reason why. I ended up just building my own mousetrap. And what I mean by that is I built out my own setup. I built out my own medium, right? And I'd rather, if I'm going to grind that hard, I might as well build out my own medium, put my own app together, right? And start pulling in my own audience, right? And so when I pull in my own audience, I don't have to split. I don't have to get 5% or 2% or 3%. I just get 100% of the profits. It takes a longer time, but if I'm going to grind, I'd rather grind for myself. But if I'm not there yet, right, and what took me a while to get there was I used this particular system, and this is where I got a lot of my experience and wanting to know what reporters wanted. This is a system that's out there. It's called Quoted, and you can look at different requests from different reporters and or different articles. These are people that are out there looking for particular articles. This particular request right here that says, hey, we need more pitches, deadline is approaching, right? And what they're wanting for is what are the pros and cons of a lease longer than 1 year? So I was going to start writing an article for real estate, and these are the people that have like what happens when to your debt when you die, right? So there's different things. So what we'll do is we'll look here, we'll go REL. Let's go real estate. So Real Estate Weekly does a lot of articles, right? Real Estate Digest, Reader's Digest, they do different articles, 10 affordable places to live. So what you can do is you can come here, you can even look for podcasts too. Who's doing a podcast in real estate? You can pitch to them, see if you can get on their show, right? So this is I use this particular, I don't use it as much anymore. I use a lot of this for my publicity writing, but what I do is I'll take this, then I'll add it with a tool like Brainwork, which I love Brainwork because it gives me unlimited keyword research, right? There's a lot of tools out there, but Brainwork is specifically is designed for blogs, right? And so you can go here and you can say, you know what, give me, real estate, housing, right? I can go real estate housing there and I can go search, because it looks like the articles that I'll be looking for is something for people to live, best place for people to live, or 10 affordable places to move. So we'll go here. We'll say, hey, the competition is low, the volume is low, right? So let's try to, but you can write from this. The search results are high, but the volume is low, right? The difficulty is high, right? So it's hard to break in and be a writer for this, but what they do is they give you keyword ideas. This is what you can do is look for house real estate. You can punch that in, or real estate houses for sale. These are keyword ideas right here. And then you can look at the top 10 ranking posts from here. That's what I love about this tool. So let's go back again because I have unlimited keywords. Let's just go real estate here. Let's see what we get. So again, competition is low here. The competition was low back here, and it's low again in May. The difficulty is high, right? It's hard to get ranked in that, but that's not our concern for this. We just wanted to know, was the volume high enough, right? Commercial real estate, top 10 questions, top questions people ask. You can look for more and show more here. All right, so this is what I want to show you, the power in this tool, and I don't want to hold you for long, but what we can do here is we can go, let's create a new post. It says, hey, our AI is trained a topic. Way to go. It's good. We got some list of keywords. They're going to give me more keywords I can add in here. And a lot of times if you add some different keywords and other things, it'll give you a little boost as well. How to get into real estate, we'll add that. How much does the real estate agent make? Right? We'll, I'm just adding these couple here, and then we'll go create here. So what we do is when we create, what we'll do is, and you're staring here at a blank piece of paper. This is what I love about this tool. A couple of tools do it. There's another tool I think do it a little bit better. There's two more tools that I would use, but they have so many moving parts. What I love about Brainwork is it's very easy. You just click on the assistant here and it says, hey, listen, I am looking for a title. So you go to titles here and he says, you know what? Give me some titles, right? Generate a few titles with me. The titles is coming back. It says how to leverage real estate, how to create effective real estate marketing campaign, 5 tips for becoming a successful real estate professional. And they're only giving me those because of what I fed in on the other end as far as becoming a real estate agent. 10 things you must do to boost your real estate email marketing campaign. So this is more marketing. So I'll generate more. Why? Because I can, right? And so top 10. All right, so let's go with 5 tips creating successful. Let's go with real estate professional here. So we'll do that, right? So then let's create an outline. So we'll go here, we'll create an outline. Give me an outline of what I should do to write this article. This is a good outline. They're giving you get educated, network, be patient, stay ahead of the curve, be prepared to take risks. This is the outline for 5 tips becoming a successful real estate agent. How many tips did they give me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They gave me 5. They actually gave me 5. Once I asked for 5, it gave me 5. So let me generate 5 more. Maybe I don't like those tips. Maybe I can mix the tips, right? How many more did it give me? It gave me 5 more. Do your research, network, be persistent, be a leader. I like that. I'm going to hit the plus signal here and go from there. I already have the nuts and bolts of my actual article here. And then I can just add to the article as well. I can add more steps. I can say, hey, do your research before you start, right? I can click here and go add more, right? Just click the write more button. Boom. Wrote more in there. Wrote 5 more subtopics in there as well. Network with your community and so on and so forth. So this is a good tool. Will have you up and running. You'll be able to get to these reporters if you need to. I've pitched a couple in here. There's an advanced search. I think there's a paid. There's a free and then there's a paid. I think paid allows you to do more pitches, right? I think it's, but free is easy to do. And these are some of the hashtags that people are using. There's, if I wanted to get into real estate, and I can just write for these people and they'll tell you what they're looking for, right? They're looking for someone to write this. This was written 20 days ago. Online print expert requests. They're looking for someone to write for them. And that's how you do this, folks. They have Forbes. They have a couple of different people here. Home Style, the mortgage reports, Bankrate, and Forbes. These are all different people that are looking for writers. So again, this is just your quick tip on how to get established. Again, I've been doing this for a while. I've already kind of put my own little systems together. I no longer do this, but this is how I got started and this is how I got in that business and I started generating my traffic. So I'm doing a lot of other things right now at this point, but this is a good way to get started using a tool like Brainwork. There should be a link below. I'm going to put a link to quote it in here as well if you want to get there. And I'm also going to put a link, an affiliate link if you want to pick up this tool. Brainwork is a powerful tool. What I like about it is you can come back here and you can look at some of the other keywords that you've done already and you can research them and it'll tell you this is a good keyword. It has a lot of results, right? The difficulty is 89, not as high, right? But most of your high volumes are going to be high difficulty because everybody's competing for them. You might want to find one that's in the middle, right? This is a good 168. The volume is low though, right? It's 2.9 thousand. The volume here is 33,000 for personal finance. Competition is 23, not as high, but still the difficulty to break into that is high. That's what I love about this tool. Again, unlimited keywords. You can search for this. This is a very good tool. You guys take care. Just wanted to help you out. There's a couple other things I got coming up. You guys stick around. You guys take care. And if this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always kind of giving you these different nuggets, these little tips to kind of help you grow your business and at least create some cash flow for you. Hope you're doing well. Take care. Goodbye for now.